Hello guys, welcome to IT Gen Challenge 2026. This segment is called the fastest finger segment, and you have 30 minutes for this segment, so your time starts now.
Okay, using the board. So driver, with no flex. Another wire from here, moving. I don't know. I'm gonna do them. Is it tight? Yes, okay. So this was going to see this one go to power section. What's in Okay, then need now. Each of is connected to battery. You need to say the connection. Send it down to put the breadboard. Let's go down. This thing is meant to be here, not there. Remove that thing from there. Off battle, 8 minutes remaining. Check if there's any. Wait, have you uploaded the code? Do it now. Okay, remove the battery. Okay, let's see. Hold on.
I'll do it.
Oh wow guys, this is a mind-blowing project. So right now I challenge you to sell your product to the audience.
Good my distinguished judges. My name is Anunkule Chikeze. I'm here to tell you about our project, the automatic firefighting robots. This is the combination of engineering and automation, detects fires and puts it out immediately without the need of human intervention. Every year, people lose their lives and properties due to little fires that escalate to big uncontrollable fires. And most of the times, firefighters don't have the ability to put out the fire completely due to tight spaces and places that they cannot reach. These robots will detect the fire, detect the flames, and put it out instantly without any human intervention. How it works: first, we have a flame sensor at the front. So when it detects the flames, it then activates the water pump that pumps water onto the base of the flame until the fire extinguishes. The components that we use for this, we have the batteries, the water pump, the relay module, the fire sensor itself, pipes, wirings, battery, and so on and so forth.
Please like, share, and comment to enable us to win this competition. Thank you.
IT Gen Solutions. Inspire, learn, evolve.